How to enable comments manual filter on Instagram Lite. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to enable comments manual filter on Instagram Lite. First then open Instagram Lite and now click on your profile and then click the storylines, and here you will find settings and then click privacy and then comments, and here you will find the manual filter. Just if you want to enable it, just click on it, and as you see here you can just choose any words you want, just type it here, and that's it. That's how to enable manual filter. And that's it for today's video. Don't forget like and don't forget subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.